There are many cars. This is a excavator car. This is excavator cars. Yes, this car is very much nice to look at. This is very much nice to look at, excavator. And this is another a steel body private car. Very nice to look at. It's another amazing. This is a small creation of car, kids toys, and this is another police car. So much beauty, police car. And this is a bus, tourist bus. Tourist bus. The baby, when it will observe, they will feel very nice. And this is another teeny toys. Wow, what a nice car. And another is jeep car, police and jeep car. Yes, this is very much nice to look at. Yes, there are so many cars. This is a CNG. This is a CNG car. Yes, CNG car. And this is another private car. This is a music car. And when I will switch off this car, then it will lightning. Music car. Yes, this is a music car. Okay. So there are many cars on the bed. You are watching excavator, steel body, tourist bus, CNG, private car, police car, another. Yes, you can watch and you can buy to play with these toys. Yes.